Here we have a 2013 Ford Transit medium wheelbase mobile workshop van. So this is an extremely useful van for anybody in the trade of, maybe if you're a mechanic, if you're a tyre fitter, anybody needing a mobile workshop in the back. This van has a compressor and it also has onboard electrics. It's come direct from a major PLC company. It's got full service history by them. One owner from new, they've owned it since new. Comes with a brand new 1-year MOT. HBI clear, never been involved in an accident. There is VAT to pay on this van, so bear that in mind. The price is plus VAT. So I'm going to quickly show you the compressor here, and then we've got electrics at the back, also electrics inside, which I will show you. Bodywork is extremely clean for a 2013 van. Expect a few tiny marks, shallow dent here, and just there again there is a small mark there, but overall the van is extremely clean, as you can see from the video, but it's always good to point out any small marks that I see. So now the interesting part, I'm going to show you how the electrics and generator and the compressor all work. Before I do, I'll quickly turn the engine on. Mechanically it's perfect. No lights on the dashboard, we've driven the van, there's no faults, so it's just been serviced by us, as well as having the full service history printout from the major company that has owned it before us. So, loads of power, there's no smoke at high revs, all of the ignition lights come on as they should. If I quickly just turn it off, we've got the engine management light, the traction, ABS, they all go out as they should when I turn the vehicle on. Look at that. It's done exactly 71,275 miles. Radio, 6-speed gearbox. There is a laptop here which comes down. This was part of the software of the previous company. So you can plug this into a laptop and you've got a touchscreen Delta unit here. Right, now for the interesting bits. We've got the PTO lever here. So I need to press the clutch in, raise this up, make sure the handbrake's on. Okay, and then I need to put it in 5th gear. This is the important bit. You're going to hear the unit kick in. I can turn the key, but the engine's going to stay running because of the compressor and electrics that is now working on the van. We've got a green light here signifying there's no faults with the unit. Okay, so everything is working in the back. The compressor, you can probably hear it coming out. Right. Electrics, power on button. Another socket here, 16 amp socket, emergency stop button. This also has a service history with it, the electrical unit. It's called a Winton onboard power system. Last serviced in July of last year. Okay. We have all of the connections for the compressor. Lots of racking in the back that could easily be removed if you wanted to. It's probably more high roof van, so I can stand up very easily in it. LED lights in the back. Yeah, it is a medium wheelbase, so bear that in mind. We've got the height, which is probably the most important thing if you're going to be using this as a workshop. One last thing to show you. So this noise here is the compressor and the generator running under the engine. First aid kit, personal protection equipment, and various other parts for the van. Very clean in the cab. I'll quickly turn this off now, so you might be able to hear me better. So to turn it off, what I need to do, press the clutch in, out of 5th gear, press the lever down, okay? Then the vehicle is going to start as normal, okay? Right. One other thing to show you is the paperwork with the van. So I'm going to make sure I do hide the due to data protection, but no previous owners. It was registered in 2013. It has been company owned from new. This van has never had an MOT advisory, okay? That's how well looked after it has been from this large multinational company. Never had an MOT advisory. And this MOT printout. Here is the service printout with the van. So whenever it's been serviced mechanically, it's also had a system equipment service as well. So the electrics, all the electric unit has been serviced. So it's been serviced at 11,000, 28,000, 35,000, 42,000, 47,000, 52,000, 61,000, and lastly by the company at 67,000. It has just been serviced by us as well. Okay, all the details here. And it was printed using their software on the 16th of April 2021. This is a receipt for the service done by us, okay? So a full service. The MOT just been done by us, again, perhaps unsurprisingly considering the van's been so well looked after. No advisories on the MOT. Mileage history: 52,000 in 2018, 61,000, 67,000, 71,000 on the last MOT. This is an extremely useful van in really good condition. One owner from new. The price is plus VAT, please bear that in mind. It's a mobile workshop van, it's ready to go to work. Compressor, electrics in the back. Full service history, one owner from new. Also comes with a 1-year warranty. That covers any mechanical failure in the next year. And that is including a £1,000 limit claim per claim if there was any warranty issues that you would have. But you won't be needing it because mechanically it's perfect. We just like to give you peace of mind with what you're buying. So the van comes with a 1-year warranty, as well as the MOT, as well as the service history, just for your own peace of mind. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop me an email or a message via our company website, Huntsville Motor Company. We will endeavour to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.